YouTube, what's going on? It's been a minute with this car, hasn't it? But today I'm not gonna talk about anything in particular about this car, but I wanted to mention a new mod courtesy of Kustom Interior. That's Kustom with a K. They were kind enough to be my first sponsor on my YouTube channel, and they sent me out some custom car seats, or seat covers. Said custom car seats. Custom seat covers for my 2022 GR86. First, before I show you guys and give you my review, I'll give you a good walk around. I did try to wash it, but it was an automatic wash, so it didn't really pan out as well as I would have hoped for 15 bucks. But hey, what can you do? It's an automatic wash, so you know, there's nothing I can do about it in particular. But anyways, a couple of weeks ago, these guys reached out to me on Instagram and asked if I wanted to try out some seat covers, and I haven't really been a seat cover guy since I've owned cars. I usually take pretty good care of my seats, but you know, it does add some personality to the car, to be honest. And at first I was on the fence about seat covers in particular, because I've seen a lot of them at like AutoZone, the really cheap ones that you can just throw on any car and everything like that. So I didn't really have some in particular, but I think that's honestly what kind of enticed me not to get any, because I just saw them and they just really didn't look that good on the car. But for this one, they look pretty good, and I'm going to show you guys right now. So let's see. So obviously on the driver's side, they seem a little bit more well put together, in all honesty, just because I've sat in here. I think the other one, sorry for, I don't know where that came from, but I think for the other one, for the passenger seat, if I sat in there more, or if someone sat in there more often, it would kind of take the air out. I guess I'll show you guys the air out of the seat, in a sense, the seat cover, and make it more fitted like this one. This one feels like this is the actual seat, in my opinion, but that's because I'm sitting on it, I'm kind of breaking it in. And this one, obviously, with no one sitting here, it's a lot different, and it doesn't seem as you know, secure as this, or as neat as this as a driver's seat is. And I think I mean, as you guys can see, the car, especially with the white stitching here and the leather, the car looks good, but the and I mean, even the detail here with these are pretty good. I just wanted to, I kind of wish that these weren't as difficult to put on, in my opinion, because I want to go to the back. The back is, again, no one sits back here, but I try my best, minus my my back issues that I had, tried to get back there to do that seat. But I had to take the seats out of this one in order to get these put together, and this one I didn't. I just had to, in the back seat, just disconnect the seats, and I think I'll unbolted this part of the seat to kind of lift underneath it to gain some leverage. The fitment isn't that bad, but I think it could have been better. But again, with my car being white and the stitching here being white, it's just fine. I think it fits the car well. And then at a glance, if you kind of just look at the car, in the glance, you'll see, like, it looks really, really neat. It kind of fits the car perfectly. And these are the first seat covers I was just like, you know, saying like, wow, this is actually not that bad, you know. And I think that these do have a place. If you have the base model vehicle, the base model GR86, these definitely have a place, and are worth buying, in my opinion. I don't, again, the back seats, maybe someone can put them on better than I could, but I don't think you're gonna get much use out of those anyway. And most people with the 86 now are just taking out the back seats because they're not using them. Although I do use them from time to time, but you know, I don't think I'm planning on taking out any back seats anytime soon. So, but for me, they look good. If you had the premium seats, I would just keep the premium seats, but being that I have the base model seats, these actually feel a lot better than just the stock seats alone, and it makes the car look a bit more premium. Obviously, like I said, the black with the white stitching and the white car, the contrast is perfect for me. And obviously you see the white stitching on the steering wheel as well. So I think they're great. Again, they were a hassle to put on. I had to, if you want to put these on, for those of you who have a BRZ or an 86, you have to take out the screw here. I would recommend an impact drill, just so you're not working so hard. Take out the bolt here. I'll pull the seat back real quick. Bolt here, bolt there, and then there are two that are parallel to the back, or in the back. So you take out those. Don't forget to disconnect the battery, and once you disconnect the battery, you can definitely you know, unplug the airbags so you don't accidentally deploy them. Unplug the airbags and the seat belt, I guess the occupation sensor, the occupant sensor. So, you know, once you do that, the seat's easy to, it'll just pop right out. Just keep it on the bracket there, so you can easily slide it back in. It shouldn't take too much longer. Once you get the seat out, the seat covers are pretty easy to put on. Like I said, for me, the seats in the front were a lot more, I guess I'd say a lot easier to put on than the ones in the back. The back, again, maybe because I'm so tall, and I could have taken out the back seats, but it just would have been, with the weather we've had, a little bit too much work for me. So I tried the best I could with what I was with the space that I had. So honestly though, overall, I think the seat covers are great. They feel comfortable, they smell nice, they don't smell too leathery, and they don't look like they don't belong, if that makes any sense. They look like they came with the car, you know? Like they even have this stripe, like I know in the premium trim, this little stripe here is like silver or whatever the case, in the BRZ or the 86. So I think it's fine, and the pattern pretty much coincides with what the pattern is on the stock seats. So overall quality, I would say an A+. Fitment on the front seats, at least, an A+. Again, if someone sat here more often, this would kind of break in a bit. The back seats, could have been a little bit better, because you are missing the I mean, obviously no one's using the anchors back there, the anchor holes. I think if they would have added that, it would have been probably a little bit better. But I think Kustom Interior knows that no one is gonna be back there mostly. So, you know, in all honesty, I can't fault them for that. But for me, overall, I would say 8.5 out of 10 for fitment. Style, 9 out of 10. And overall satisfaction on my part, I'm satisfied. And I appreciate the company reaching out to me to have me try on these seats. Again, it was very difficult for me, but it could be easier for others. But also, you know, after I got them on, I'm very satisfied with what, you know, what they offer as far as aesthetically in the car. And you know, my kids seem to like them too. So with that being said, guys, I think that's all I got for the interior. Stay tuned for another video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And again, thank you to Kustom Interior for reaching out to me and having me try out these seats. I'm out, fellas. Peace.